आप सभी को एक बार फिर से नमस्कार। स्वागत है इस ऑनलाइन क्लास में। क्लास 11th मैथमेटिक्स चैप्टर 2 रिलेशंस एंड फंक्शंस पार्ट 2। दिस इज आल्सो एक्सरसाइज 2.1। सो लेट अस डिस्कस द एक्सरसाइज 2.1। if x by 3 plus 1 and y minus 2 by 3 the ordered pair is equal to 5 by 3 1 by 3 ordered pair, find the values of x and y. So comparing the corresponding terms, because if two ordered pairs are equal then their corresponding terms are equal. So we get x plus x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. So x by 3 is 5 by 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3. So x by 3 is 2 by 3, therefore x is equal to 2. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. If the set A has 3 elements and the set B 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. So number of elements in A cross B is, that is n A cross B is equal to n A cross n B, which is 3 cross 3, that is 9. So if G is equal to 7 and 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2, these are the two sets. Find G cross H and H cross G. So G cross H will be 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. All these are the ordered pairs. H cross G will be 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 2, 8. Now next, state whether each of the following statement are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. If P is equal to Mn and Q is equal to Nm, then P cross Q will be Mn Nm. This is false because P cross Q will have 4 elements, not 2 elements. So right statement will be Mn, Mm, Nn, Nm. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pair xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That is true statement. If A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4, then A cross B intersection phi is phi, because B intersection phi will be phi. So Cartesian product with a empty set will be empty. So that is also true. If A is equal to minus 1, 1, find A cross A cross A. अब यहाँ पे ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट हमको A पे ही बनाना है. So first A cross A is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Then the Cartesian product of the same set, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, cross minus 1, 1. इसके साथ हमको ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट बनाना है. तो अब माइनस वन का दूसरे के साथ ऑर्डर पेयर बनेगा, तो माइनस वन माइनस वन ये ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट बन गया. इस तरह से जो लास्ट हमने ए क्रॉस ए मीन्स माइनस 1, 1 लिखा है, जो जितने ऑर्डर्ड पेयर पहले ब्रैकेट में दिए हुए हैं सेट के फॉर्म में, उसका सबके साथ हम फिर से उसका बनाएंगे. सो दिस विल हैव 8 ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट, 2 क्रॉस 2 क्रॉस 2, 8 element will be there. If A cross B is AX, AY, BX, BY, find A and B. So A is the collection of first element of all ordered pair, which is AB, and B will be the collection of all the second element of ordered pair, so that is XY. 7th, A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, C is 5, 6 and D is 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that A cross B intersection C is A cross B intersection A cross D. अब यहाँ पे हमको फाइंड करना होगा. तो B इंटरसेक्शन C, इफ़ वी फाइंड B इंटरसेक्शन C, देर इज़ नो कॉमन एलिमेंट टू B and C, so that is phi. So A cross B intersection will be phi again. Now the right hand side, to find the right hand side we need A cross B. So here it is A cross B. A cross C is also found here, and their intersection, if we see A cross B and A cross C, is there any element common to them, any ordered pair? So we said there are no ordered pair which is common to both. So A cross B intersection A cross C is phi. So from 1 and 2 we get A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Now A cross C is found here. A1, 2 cross 5, 6, that is 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. B cross D is also found here. So we see that A cross C is the subset of B cross C, because all ordered pair of A cross C are in B cross D. So A cross C is subset of B cross D. Eighth question, A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 3 4. Write A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? List them. So A cross B is 1 2 cross 3 4. So that is 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. A cross B. So N cross B, how many elements are there? How many ordered pairs are there? 4. So किसी भी सेट में अगर n एलिमेंट होते हैं तो उसमें नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स उसके 2 to the power n होते हैं. So number of subsets, that is 2 to the power 4, 16. Ninth है, let A and B be two sets such that NA is 3 and NB is 2. If x1, y2, z1 are in A cross B, find A and B where x, y and z are distinct element. So all the first element of ordered pair will go to the A and second element of ordered pair will go to B. So what are the first element of all ordered pair? X, y and z, and A is having 3 elements. So A is equal to x, y and z. Second element will go to B, and how many element B has? It has 2 elements. So 1 and 2 are the 2 elements which belong to B. So we get A is equal to x, y and z, and B is 1 2. These are the two sets. 10th question, the Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements among which are found minus 1 0 and 0 1. Find the set A and the remaining element of A cross A. Now NA is equal to x. So n A cross A, that will be NA into NA. So x into x, that is x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to 3. Therefore A has 3 elements. Now minus 1 0 belongs to A cross A and 0 1 belongs to A cross A. First and second both elements are from A. So we are getting 3 distinct elements from 2 ordered pair, minus 1 0 and 1. So A will be minus 1 0 and 1. So we have to find all other ordered pair also. So minus 1 0 1 cross 1 minus 1 0 1. 3 are given, remaining 5 you have to list. Which are 3 given? Minus 1 0 and 0 1 are given. So that will be minus 1 1, minus 1 1. After that you get 0 1 1 0. All these there will be 5 other ordered pair also. So thank you very much for completing this exercise. Okay.